Hello and welcome to this mudra practice and meditation. I am Angela and I am using this wonderful book by Joseph and Lillian Le Page called Mudras, Healing for Transformation. It's my favorite mudra book. It's full of so much information and value for healing and realigning our energy pathways and centers. So today we're working on, and I apologize for the pronunciation, Anudandi Mudra. And this one is called the gesture of the backbone. It can be used for back pain and the health of the spine. So for this one, we take our hands into fists with the thumbs inside of the palms facing the body. And then we extend our little fingers and touch them firmly together at the tips. So noticing one side might feel different than the other. My fourth finger really wants to lift here, so that's something going on in my shoulders. And that's okay. We just kind of accept what is and we move on. So doing your best to press those fingers together and then resting the hands on the lap or the abdomen. Depending if you're laying down for this mudra or seated, just make sure you have a nice long spine, natural curve in the spine, and you can relax the shoulders and connect to your breath. And so this mudra will be accompanied by the meditation that they suggest in the book called Wave of Ease and Release. At any time, if you want to release the mudra and just continue with the meditation, you are more than welcome to. So as you're holding this mudra, take several natural breaths and see if you can attune to the feelings and sensations that might rise from doing this mudra. Do you notice a certain part of the body that might be relaxing more than another? And what kind of emotions you're feeling? Maybe you're feeling stress or maybe you're feeling calm. Just notice without judging it. You can sense your breath as a wave. So this kind of ebb and flow, I like to think of or even picture a wave coming into the shore on the inhale and going out to sea on the exhale. Now imagine that wave is going through your back body. Inhaling, the wave floats from the lower body all the way through and up to the upper body. Exhale, the wave moves from the upper body all the way down to the lower back body. You could even make the wave a little smaller, inhaling from the low back up to the upper neck. And exhaling from the upper neck down the back, out of the low back. Releasing all tension. you can decide here by directing this wave of breath to each area of your back individually. So you might notice an area of tension. You can inhale that wave of breath and release into that area of tension in the back. Exhale as the tension releases. All tightness and discomfort are just naturally released with the exhale. You could just go into the low back first, nourishing the low back by the waves of relaxation and ease. And then moving your wave of breath into your middle back. And with each inhalation, sensing your lower ribs expanding gently on the middle back. As you exhale, allowing softness and ease to bathe the entire middle region of your body. And for your next few breaths, you can sense the tension being released, allowing that middle back to fully relax. Now you can direct your wave of breath into your upper back. With each inhalation, sense the space being created between the shoulder blades. With each exhalation, allowing the shoulder blades to release down towards the base of the body. And take several breaths here, sensing greater lightness and ease as all tension is released from your upper back, that area between the shoulder blades. And now the next wave of breath is going to flow all the way up to the top of your neck, lengthening your cervical spine, so that neck spine. With each inhalation, it gets a little bit longer. Imagining space being created with the inhalation between the vertebrae of the cervical spine. With each exhalation, you're imagining this sense of tension release, relaxation. Now you can move to the whole back body. So inhaling from the low back again all the way up to the neck. Exhaling as the wave relaxes the whole back body. One or two more like that. You can use this affirmation 3 times during the practice, after the practice, or at any other time in your day if you're trying the mudra. So you can either repeat it after me out loud or just allow the words to repeat in your mind. As my wave of breath flows freely, I sense greater ease in the back of my body. As my wave of breath flows freely, I sense greater ease in the back of my body. As my wave of breath flows freely, I sense greater ease in the back of my body. You can again release that mudra, maybe circling the wrists gently, slowly, one direction. And then the other direction. Another option here to stretch out the hands and the wrists is to take what we call thriller arms. So shoulder blades are drawing down the back slightly, nice and stable, long spine. Arms can come out in front, palms face down, and then plug your arm bones into the shoulder socket. So sometimes we reach the arms away from the shoulder socket, but we want to keep the integrity of that shoulder, the stability of that shoulder. So plugging it back in to have that nice strong joint. And then you can send the fingers down towards the earth. They might not go all the way. It might look different from side to side, and that's okay, no judgment. Breathing fully here. And then sending the fingers up towards the sky. And taking any other movement that feels good in the body. Letting go of that mudra practice. Again, you can use this anytime throughout your day, maybe just the mudra practice on its own with affirmation. Another affirmation that's suggested for this one is, waves of comfort flow through my back body, allowing me to experience greater harmony. So feel free to write that down, keep it in your purse, take it with you so you can practice this easy, quick practice that you can use pretty much anywhere in your day to bring on that extra level of healing for your body and especially for back pain and the health of the spine. Thank you for sharing your mudra and meditation practice with me. I'll see you in the next one.